Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Amex Blue Cash Preferred card detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Amex Blue Cash Preferred card, begin by finding your card in the mail. Look for the activation sticker that usually appears on the front or back. Next, visit the American Express website. Alternatively, you can use the American Express mobile app. If you choose the website, navigate to the Account Services section. Click on the Activate Card option. Now, enter your card's 15-digit number found on the front. Also, provide your date of birth in the required format. For security, you'll need to input the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click the Continue button. The system will verify your information. If everything is correct, you will see a confirmation message. This means your card is now activated and ready for use. For mobile app activation, open the app and log into your account. Tap on the Cards tab to find your new card. Select the card you wish to activate. Enter the requested details, similar to the website process. After filling in the information, press the Activate button. You should receive a confirmation when your card is successfully activated. Now, you can start using your Amex Blue Cash Preferred card for your purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.